Hey, hi, welcome back to Digit.in. Among the usual stack of TUF gaming laptops, Asus also had a bunch of custom desktop builds at Computex this year. They were assembled using a TUF Gaming motherboard, TUF Gaming power supply unit, and you guessed it, a TUF Gaming cabinet. Let's take a closer look at all of them. TUF Gaming Z390 Pro Gaming. This build comes with an Intel 9th Gen Core i7 CPU, EX Fluid Gaming A120 cooler, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card, T-Force Delta RGB TUF Gaming Alliance memory and storage, a Seasonic Core GC-65o power supply unit, and a TUF Gaming GT501 chassis. The monitor is the new TUF Gaming VG270AQ with a 155Hz IPS panel. It also has a TUF Gaming K7 wired gaming keyboard and a TUF Gaming M3 wired gaming mouse. Some markets may actually sell the entire build as one single package, while some others may choose to sell all these components as individual products, allowing for more customization. TUF Gaming X570 Plus with Wi-Fi. This build here has an AMD Ryzen 5 processor, an NMAX LickMax 3 cooler, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card, a T-Force Delta RGB TUF Gaming Alliance memory and storage unit, a Seasonic Core GC-65o power supply unit, and a TUF Gaming GT501 chassis. The cooling fan is a TUF Gaming TF120A1 120mm fan with RGB lighting. Adorning it is the TUF Gaming H3 gaming headset with 50mm Essence drivers and 32 ohms of impedance. The monitor is the new TUF Gaming VG270AQ with 155Hz IPS panel. TUF Gaming Z390M Pro Gaming. This more compact build has an Intel 9th Gen Core i7 CPU, ID cooling autoflow cooler, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card, T-Force Delta RGB TUF Gaming Alliance memory and storage, FSP HGE 650 power supply unit, and a Thermaltake Core V21TG TUF Gaming Edition chassis. It has most of the ports on the side for easier access when placed on a desk. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it.